Drawing conclusions on the basis of formal principles of reasoning is termed A. Inductive thought, B. Deductive thought, C. Logical thought, D. Illogical thought. The correct answer is C. Logical thought. Drawing a conclusion on the basis of formal principles of reasoning is termed as called logical thought. The term cognition includes A. Thinking, problem solving, reasoning and dreaming. B. Classical and instrumental conditioning. C. The use of memory system. D. An active process by which sensory input is selected, organized and integrated. The correct answer is A. The term cognition includes thinking, problem solving, reasoning and dreaming. The person responsible for the development and design of the first useful individual test of intelligence is A. Freud, B. Terman, C. Binet, D. Wessler. The correct answer is C. Binet. The person responsible for the first useful individual test of intelligence is developed Binet. The correct answer is Binet. First person was Binet. The items actually selected for an intelligence test provide dash definition of intelligence. A. Functional, B. Valid, C. Reliable, D. Operational. The correct answer is D. Operational. The item actually selected for an intelligence test provide operational definition of intelligence. Speed of processing has been measured by which of the following techniques? A. The number of mistakes as a person makes. B. The amount of time a person needs to clap their hands when instructed. C. The brain activity that follows exposure to a stimulus. D. How quickly a person can blink their eyes after being told to do so. The correct answer is A. The number of mistakes a person makes. Speed of processing has been measured by which the following techniques is called number of mistakes a person makes. The correct answer is A. The term G factor written about by Nasser refers to a generation factors, B. General ability, C. Gardner factor, D. Group factor. The correct answer is B. General abilities. The term G factor written about by Nasser referred to general abilities. The best summary statement regarding the role of heredity on a human intelligence is that A. Heredity may impose upper limits on intelligence. B. Heredity may impose lower limits on intelligence. C. Intelligence is almost completely related to genetic inheritance. D. The similarity in IQ scores among mental relatives is greater than that among. The correct answer is A. Heredity may impose upper limits on intelligence. Howard Gardner has theorized all of the following types of intelligence except language, creativity, interpersonal skills, intrapersonal skills. Howard Gardner has theorized all of the following types of intelligence except Creativity. Gordon theorized that all of the following types of intelligence except creativity. The correct answer is B, creativity. The Stanford Binet intelligence scale was specifically designed to test adult intelligence, provide separate scores for performance intelligence and verbal intelligence, is completely cultural fair in that children of different cultures do just as well as children in these cultures. D. Assume that intellectual ability in childhood improves as age increases. The correct answer is D. Stanford Binet intelligence scale assumes that intellectual ability in childhood improves as age increases. Cross-cultural studies during the last 30 years show A. Virtually no change in measured intelligence. B. IQ gains of about 5 points. C. Evidence of genetic drift. D. IQ gains that are typically 15 points. The correct answer is D. Cross-cultural studies during the last 30 years shows IQ gains that are typically 15 points. The correlation of intelligence test scores between identical twins is A. Higher when they are raised together than when they are raised apart. B. Lower than that for fraternal twins raised together. C. The same as for any other blood relative. D. The same whether they are reared together or apart. The correct answer is A. Higher when they are raised together, when they are raised apart. The global capacity to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively with the environment is known as intelligence. Who has regarded intelligence as a capacity of organism to adjust it to an increasingly complex environment? The correct answer is Spencer. The concept of intelligence quotient was devised by German psychologist Stern. Culture-free tests of intelligence were developed by Cattell. Dash is known for memorizing nonsense syllabi and plotting a curve of forgetting. The correct answer is Ebbinghaus. Your collections about your last birthday are stored in your dash memory: episodic, semantic, retroactive, short term. The correct answer is A. Episodic. Your collections about your last birthday are stored in your episodic memory. If you witnessed a crime and were asked to pick out the criminal from a lineup, you would be doing what kind of memory task? A. Eidetic imagery, relearning, recall, recognition. The correct answer is D. Recognition. Information in long-term memory can be retained up to 30 seconds, 1 hour, many years, 2 seconds. The correct answer is C. Many years. Information in long-term memory can be retained up to many years. When new learning disrupts the ability to recall past stored information, dash has been said to occur. A. Proactive interference. B. Disinhibition. C. retrograde amnesia. C. Retroactive interference. The correct answer is D. Retroactive interference, when a new learning disturbs the ability to recall past stored information. It's called retroactive interference.